Hi guys. Um, this morning I would just like to say that I am truly blessed to have been able to meet Jacob. Since I met Jacob, my life changed, and I never wanted to taste anything else but Jacob. So, um, I would just like to introduce Jacob to you so that maybe you would feel the same way. Here is Jacob. Hello. You see, he looks so beautiful. He's going to my tummy now.